Hey guys, today we are driving from Naples to Bari. The last time we have been here 2 years ago, and when we took the car, the main office of the renting was near the parking. We almost get there, but my wife stopped me in the last second. Wait, guy, I see a sign over there. And yeah, she was right. Now they changed. The office is going to be in the second floor. Over there you're going to see all the budget and other companies, renting companies. You first have to get there to take the keys to your car. Then you get out. There is a shuttle outside from the airport, take you directly to the parking. You take the car and you go quickly. It took us half an hour. But let's talk about the price. Now it cost us for 7 nights. We took what car we took, honey?
Which car?
Volkswagen.
Okay.
Tigo.
We took a Volkswagen Tigo. Okay. It was like a mini SUV. Pretty nice. It cost us with the insurance €1,075 per 7 nights. Not cheap, but it's still fun to drive in Italy.
And here in South Italy, you don't have any other option, guy, no?
No.
I can come here like by a train from Naples to Bari, but all the old cities, you don't have, it's not accessible.
Some of them accessible, some less. If you have to take the bus or the public transportation, you're going to lose a lot of time. But it's you can do it. The public transportation in Italy is pretty good. You can reach almost every destination you want using the public transportation. The driving to Bari, it's 241 kilometers. So it took us 3.5 hours, but it was fun. We stopped on the way to have some good coffee.
We have it. We can go. Are you?
So it's time to go to Bari. No, what do you say, honey? You ready to drive 241 kilometers?
I'm ready, but I think Dalia wants something.
Before we are heading the road, you can't go on empty stomach. One margarita,
2 margarita.
two margaritas.
And for you, with the meatballs. See now why you have to order the pizza? It comes first. That's it. Now.
In the airport there was a nice restaurant. It's called Fresco, and we had quite a nice lunch. We took some pizzas and pasta.
And some meatballs as
and
well.
Guy got meatballs
We have
with
to get the
French
protein.
fries, some coffee, and only afterwards
Two.
went to take the car, and then Noah, our chauffeur, is gonna take us to Bari.
Yay!
Did you miss the driving in Italy, babe?
There was just a person just passed me on the stop sign.
This is Italy. This is how they drive over here.
I think it's only in Naples.
No, we didn't. And that's just the beginning. In the new series on our channel, we guide you through one of the most underrated regions in Italy, Apulia and Basilicata. From Bari to Matera, Poliano a Mare, Monopoli, Alberobello, Ostoni, and finally back to Naples for a full days of authentic Neapolitan pizza. We'll cover how to get around, where to go, what to eat, and the experience you shouldn't miss, including hiding spots most tourists never hear about. If you're thinking about traveling to southern Italy or want to see Italy beyond the usual destination, this series is for you.
So, today my assistant.
It's now 7.
It's 7:45.
Okay, I'm ready.
7 floors.
7 floors.
But the elevator is so small.
It's not that small.
So, let's check out the room. Not bad.
Unlike Amalfi Coast, that it's very curved way and driving really slow, and you don't expect what's coming towards you. The driving limit is 70 miles, not miles, kilometers per hour, or 90 kilometers per hour. So most of the time, it's not really an autostrad, you know. So
it's not highway. It's not a highway. Yeah. It's not really high, but it was a little bit curvy. Some of the roads to get you in Bari, and you didn't stop in some
we made
amazing
only one
towns.
stop.
Yes.
We made only one stop for refreshment, and it took us 3 hours and 15 minutes.
And get ready, because there is going to be a lot of food in the next videos. From fresh seafood on the coast to handmade pasta in the old towns, the local bakeries, street snacks and dishes we didn't even know exist. Apulia surprised us with a food that's simple, honest and full of flavor, and we filmed all of it. And of course, we saved the best for the last, Naples. A full pizza day in the birthplace of pizza, tasting the classic, the legend and a few local secrets.
We arrived to Bari, and now it's time to go out to have some drink, maybe some dinner or something like that. What do you say, babe?
Yeah, I don't know what to expect. I really want to see the city. Are we going to the old city?
No, we're going to find some nice bar or restaurant pretty close to the hotel, because it's 9:30 p.m. right now, and
You're tired?
yes, a little
Why?
bit.
Did you drive for 3 hours?
No, you did, but it was hard. No, I sit near you, I talk with you, and sometimes, I was a little bit tired. Before that, we had a flight of another 4 hours flight. So yeah,
driving is tiring. Via Sparano de Bari. I hope I pronounce it well, but it's really decorated, and I saw there's a Christmas tree ahead. Let's check it out.
The spirit here in Via Sparano di Bari in the evening, it's pretty close to Christmas. It's pretty amazing, pretty stunning, beautiful. But I don't find a lot of restaurants.
It's late. No, the restaurants are in a different side. Here it's an avenue of stores, and you see the Christmas market. It's closed by now because it's the weekend. But it doesn't matter, all the young people are here, everyone is celebrating the weekend and the new year and all the lights and decoration. You can still feel the vibes.